Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you my illustrations of a couple of bookshop storefronts. I got inspiration photos from Pinterest, and this first one that I'm illustrating is a bookshop in Brussels. It's called Petit Prince. For this first illustration, I started with a pencil sketch and then I am now inking it, and then I will add the watercolor after. This was a bit of a struggle because of all the words that are written on the facade. I didn't really write words, but when I was illustrating this, I was listening to a YouTube video and I was just writing down what he was saying. So these are not actual words on the facade itself. Those are just scribbles of random words. What are your favorite bookshops? I occasionally visit the secondhand bookshop in Alsatwa. I first started going there when I discovered Susie Lee's silent picture books, because they had several and I couldn't pass up not buying them. The bookseller said that they don't usually have those kind of books available, so I was pretty happy with the find. There were 2 floors, but it was a tiny shop and all 4 walls are filled with books, and 2 walls even have sliding shelves to open to more shelves at the back. It's a tiny shop and it has a good magical stuffiness to it. Another favorite bookshop is the Almost Corner Bookshop in Trastevere. It has this magical book dust swarming in the shop. That's my memory of the bookshop. Especially if you go there when sunlight still filters through its windows before the sun sets in the afternoon. This second illustration is the open book in the UK. For this illustration, I started again with pencil sketch, and instead of inking it, I added watercolor first. And I think I'm more comfortable with the watercolor first before the inking, because otherwise I get too stiff with my lines when I do the inking first. So I'm more comfortable with watercolor before ink instead of the ink and then watercolor. I do inking first and then watercolor, and then sometimes or most of the time I go back to inking again and then watercolor again. I add layers and layers of watercolor and ink until I am satisfied with the illustration. But I think we never get satisfied with an illustration if you can add and add and add, but you have to stop yourself sometime and be contented with the illustration. Another favorite bookshop of mine is, of course, Shakespeare and Company in Paris. I think it's almost always full of people, but sitting down in one corner for several minutes and taking it all in, and then buy an illustrated souvenir book about Paris, have it stamped with their logo, stand outside for a while listening to the band playing near the entrance, is magical in itself. Books are an entire collection of universe on its own, bought and Stepping in your own special bookshops that houses these books is still nothing short of magical.
Started writing, probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh.
I will keep quiet for a while and let you watch my time-lapse video of illustrating or finishing the second illustration.
It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes?
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you are in the universe. Stay safe and warm, and tell them people who matters to you that they matter and you care. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and click the like symbol, only if you like the video, and click the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. I upload twice a week, on a Wednesday and on a Sunday. See you on my next video.